nerds. This is Maya Cranfaerie. Today I'm going to be unboxing Owlcrate. This one is the May box. I'm very excited about this one. You can see it is quite hefty. I will be switching out from Owlcrate after this because I want to explore the world of book boxes and see what else is out there. As much as I love Owlcrate, it's just so exciting to try new things. I will probably return to them down the road, but I want to explore a couple of other subscription boxes in the meantime. So keep an eye out for those. I should have a couple more coming up soon. I do have Nerdy Book Box on the way, and I'm subscribed to Once Upon a Book Club, so that'll be coming. That one will probably be a bit delayed because I'm going to read the book and do kind of a unboxing and then opening of each item all in one video, so those ones will probably be a bit delayed because of that. But anyways, let's get into it. So I already took the tape off, so this should be a quick opening. The usual. We've got our social media. But what is this? This is different. I have not seen that before. So on top we have something a little different this time. Oh, so we've got a little black bag. And let's just see, is there a spoiler card? So expect the unexpected is the theme. We have this. Oh, and I guess that makes sense. It put something else on the top to kind of change things up. So it says Owlcrate, and I'm not sure what this is for, but it's really pretty. So I've got our spoiler card. I will put that aside. As usual, I don't want to be spoiled. Oh my god. So they're going to suck me back in with this one. I already canceled my subscription, unfortunately, but maybe I can go reactivate it. Okay, what are you? Let's see. Is this a beach bag? May we meet again on distant shores. Oh my god. It is a corduroy blue, I want to say it's a beach bag or a messenger bag. Let's see if it has pockets or anything. So it's got a black liner, no pockets, but that's fine because it's meant for going to the beach and stuff. It has the little Owlcrate logo, so I'm assuming this is our item of the month that is Owlcrate branded. Nice zipper on there, so it does actually zip closed. Love that. And the strap is actually adjustable, so you could wear it a little higher too if you want. This is great because with my job I can work in cafes and stuff, so I could use this to take my laptop with me places. I like that a lot. They're going to get me to resubscribe. Alright, so we have an item that's Owlcrate exclusive for Rule of Wolves. It's an out of print, or the brand is out of print, books worn well. So each purchase helps fund literary programs and book donations for communities in need. This is the Grishaverse item that we were promised. So let's take a peek at this. Looks like a banner, a tapestry. I don't mind tapestries, but I don't really have anywhere to put them, being my main issue. So it says, "We are all monsters now." Sorry, I've got a fan going, so apologies for the drifting of the tapestry. That is so pretty. Wow. I am not sure where I'm going to put that, but I love it. Maybe my next place I could put them up, or maybe I can get some of that like sticky tack stuff that you could put up in offices. We have plaster, so like putting pins in the wall doesn't really work. And plus I wouldn't want to put a pin through this. It's just so nice. Although it has pretty big, it's sewed in a way that you could probably put a pin through it. It wouldn't damage it. That is really beautiful though. So far I'm very impressed with this box. This was a bad time to step away. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. Most myths are just truth covered in cobwebs. That is a gorgeous sticker. Oh my goodness. This might be my favorite box so far. Oh, I love that sticker. That is really gorgeous. Okay, couple things. Let's start with this. We know what this is. We know what this is. If you don't know, you can comment in the comments. It's from the library, Grey London, Volume 2. So this is our Shades of Magic by V.E. Schwab, Volume 2 by Forensics and Flowers. It's our book tin. Oh my god. Okay, I'm going to resubscribe. I'm sorry, I have to. Alright. So, Crowned Captains, Deadly Pirate Kings and Queens, it says on the front. And there's the side there. Really beautiful. Okay, they may have turned me around. I know I said I was exploring other things, but maybe I can have both. Beautiful subway there. Let me know in the comments if you think I should keep getting Owlcrate. I'd rather die on an adventure than live standing still. That is accurate. That is a great quote. So this one, my other one's being used for all my bookmarks. So this one is going to be used for all of my stickers, I think, or maybe my pins. I do have quite a few stickers now, though, so that seems like a good application. We have something quite heavy here. I think it might be a metal bookmark. Let us take a peek. Oh my goodness, it is a metal bookmark. Oh my god. This box is ridiculously good. Like, I think the lore one's been my favorite before this, but I think this has taken the cake. Neither myth nor mysteries can hold a candle to the most infinitesimal spark of hope. There's the... Wow. So pretty in the camera. It is pretty in real life, too. It has a tassel. I don't have a lot of ones with tassels, so that's exciting. And then on the other side it says, hope in the shadows of fear is the world's most powerful motivator. That is gorgeous. I'm excited to find out what all of these are from. Pin time! This pin is really beautiful. I kind of snuck a peek at it. So, logic ends where love begins. Look at that gorgeous pin. So you've got the ocean and it looks like the sun. Very beautiful. I think that might also be my favorite pin. Hard to say. I have a lot of really pretty pins now. I do really like the one from these Violent Delights. These Violent Delights. And I also love the sunflower pin and the bear pin. So it's hard to say, but that one's really gorgeous. All right, we are on to the book. Let me just take the plastic off and then we will explore. So as usual, it is an Owlcrate signed edition. It has a author letter. As usual, I will not be reading it because it is very long. So we will enjoy that. The book is The Ones We're Meant to Find by Joan He. Gorgeous cover. And then on the back, just continuing that oceanscape. So, oh wow. Okay, so no back paper, but let's see here. Gorgeous cover. Look at that. Stunning. That's the spine there. And then this is the piece de resistance for me. Those end papers, though. And they're different, too. The other one is like that. Okay, and we have our author signature right at the beginning on the front flap. Right there. So pretty. That is gorgeous. I never want to put the sleeve back on it. As much as I like the cover, it's just too pretty to have a sleeve. So, pros and cons. Alright, so as usual, I will attempt to read the summary. You are allowed to make fun of me in the comments. I give you full permission. If you want to skip ahead, I will put a timestamp below. You're welcome to skip to the end where I tell you what everything was and what my favorite items were. Okay, so it's been 3 years and 17 days since C woke up on the shore of an abandoned island. She has no idea how she came to be marooned on what her life was before. She has only the rickety house by the sea, the android she built for company, and a single memory. Somewhere beyond the horizon, she has a sister, and it's up to C to escape the island and find her. A world away, 16-year-old STEM prodigy Casey is also looking to escape from the science she once believed in and from her home. The eco-cities, Earth's last unpopulated habitats, are meant to be a sanctuary for those from deserting lineages, for those committed to planetary protection, but instead they're populated by people willing to do anything for refuge, even lie. After a series of man-made disasters rock the planet, Casey must decide if she's ready to use science to help humanity, even though it failed the people who mattered to her most. This sounds amazing. I'm very excited for this one. To be honest, I think this is the most exciting book I've gotten from Owlcrate ever so far. Like, the other ones I've been okay with, but I've been really enjoying getting into sci-fi recently, so this is like right up my alley. So I can't wait to crack into that. I might even put that on the poll for July's Book of the Month. We just picked our poll for book club for June. We're doing Smoke and Bone, or not, Shadow and Bone. I'm sorry, guys. I know nothing. But yeah, we're doing Shadow and Bone, so I'm eventually going to actually read that book. But this may have to go on the poll for July, or I might read it in between because I'm very excited about it. Alright, so let's go over it. actually, we have one more thing. Okay, so we have our booklet. Let's take a peek. We have the interview with the author and the original cover information. So you can see they changed the colors a little bit. So it's purple instead of the green. I think that was a good adjustment. We have which Grisha order do you belong to? So I'll do that later. Of course, as I mentioned, I haven't read Shadow and Bone yet, or Six of Crows, or King of Scars. So we'll see. But we'll do it anyways, and maybe I'll understand by the end. Books they recommend that are like this are Want, Not a Drop to Drink, and War Girls, which all look very interesting to me, so I'll probably take a peek at them. Studio Kyra has an interview on calligraphy. That's for the tote bag. And we have the photo challenge and a playlist. So the playlist for this month is The Sorrows, or The Sorrows is Coming. And it's the playlist for Leela Bard's Shadow of Magic trilogy. You can see that there. And they have a couple of other announced books that they're excited for there. Now, lastly, the June book is going to be Go Your Own Way. Or, you know, the theme. It's going to include an enamel item from Pineapple Sundays. The item is not a keychain. It's something we've never sent in a box before. Am I going to have to resubscribe, guys? It's very likely. Kind of regret canceling that subscription. I'm not going to lie. Alright, let's go over what's in here, and then I will scramble to my computer to resubscribe. So, I'll just grab the spoiler card. Let's go down the list so we have it in order. Alright. Let's see here. So we have the out of print, which is the Grishaverse. It's a square scarf. Oh, okay. Alright. This is definitely more up my alley then, because I like a good scarf. So how does that work? Does anyone know how square scarves work? Somebody mentioned it in the comments. It's probably like this. Like you probably go and do the roll. I don't know. I'm probably butchering this. I'm just gonna wear it. You guys can deal. This is definitely wrong. No, that's not it. Comment with some sort of link on how to tie a square scarf. Or maybe you wear it as a head bandana. The end. Actually, I love that. I'm gonna totally wear it as a bandana. It's decided. Love it. It's a fashion accessory to me. If it's not, and square scarf means something else, let me know, because really, I have no idea. Alright, we have the Corduroy Bag. Also, can we talk about Corduroy? Corduroy is apparently back, I guess. I'm on board. I like Corduroy. But this one is made by, as we mentioned before, Studio Kyra Calligraphy. And we also have, moving on in a very rapid fashion, Gilded Wolves. So we have the vinyl sticker, which is the Gilded Wolves, which I'm going to have to read. And it is a quote, quote that Lion in the Trees featured in their bold design. So this is Lion in the Trees that did this. And I'm going to follow them on Instagram right after this, because that is amazing. I'm also obsessed with wolves. I don't know if I've showed us off, but this is my wolf tattoo. So, part of my Harry Potter sleeve. So, yeah, love wolves. So excited about that. So we have the metal tassel bookmark. This is from the pages of Scythe and the 5th season. I have Scythe just behind me. You can kind of see it. Going to read it eventually. And 5th season, I don't know, but that one is by Pixel and Ink Creative. We have the Grey London Darker Shades of Magic Forensic and Flower book tin, as promised. And that one is the collectible book tin. We said that. We have, what else was here? There's something else. Oh, there's the pen, which is, wait, what am I missing here? The Ones We're Meant to Find is a twisty, yeah, that's the book. Okay. It's signed, it has exclusive foil, wait. Our signed edition comes with an exclusive cover and exclusive foil design on the hardcover case. Okay, so this is exclusive, the beautiful cover. That's amazing. I love that so much. Maybe that's part of the price jump too in Owlcrate. let's see here. Author letter. We have the icy design pin, which I have so far really loved the icy design ones. They're just so gorgeous. And that one's also from the book. And let's see here. It is a front runner for favorite design release for the so far in 2021. The artist collaborator was, I'm going to try and say this properly. I'm sorry if I butcher your name. Hafsa Fazal. So, love this pin. Good luck in this front runner contest thing. Hopefully it's a contest. Otherwise, you rocked it. I love this box. Okay, favorite items. I love the book. Really is one of my favorite items this month. How do you pick? I love the metal bookmark. This is gorgeous and it makes me very happy. And it's so shiny, it just brings me joy. I love the sticker. I love the pin. I love the book tin. I guess we'll cap it off there. I loved everything in this box this month. To be honest, this is the best box I've gotten from Owlcrate yet. Alright, well I'm going to go and resubscribe now because I was being dumb and I don't know why I unsubscribed. Probably going to end up on a wait list now. So, learn my lesson, wait till the box arrives, and then make a decision. You have a little while to cancel, so, you know. Or skip the month. Just skip the month, guys. Don't do this to yourself. And yeah, if you're interested, you can follow me on Bookstagram. I'm almost at 1,000 followers, so go and click follow and maybe we'll get to 1,000. Maybe. I have like 15 follow. 15? 50? I'm in the 900s now. I'm excited. And then if you want to follow me on Twitch, I do Sims, I do Hollow Knight, I also do some art, so I do mug painting, sometimes bullet journaling, and I'm thinking about getting back into doing cover design and graphic design on there, so keep an eye out. I now have my own computer. I actually went and bought myself a desktop computer on a whim the other day, so I actually am going to have time and equipment for doing my YouTube and my streaming, so should be much more consistent from now on out. I'm thinking probably Saturdays I'll have a consistent stream, but I'm just kind of seeing how my schedule shakes out because I've got a new job. And other than that, yeah, there should be some new videos dropping in the near future. I have a nerdy book box on the way, and I also have, as I mentioned before, Once Upon a Book Club at some point soon. So anyways, it's been lovely chatting with you guys, and you have a great rest of your day. Please tell me in the comments what your favorite item was, and if you're subscribed to Owlcrate, also if you think I should resubscribe, which I think the answer is pretty obvious, but alright, cheers!